squad, you don't know it's a girl saw me in the building and from. When you see me by myself today, you don't know say it's another banger about to drop. I know you see the title and I know you see the thumbnail. I'm like, God, I can't wait for drop this. Saw me again with the fool in it. Saw me again at trouble and mother. Saw me again back with it like. Yo, one thing. I just come from the camera look anyway these days. Like I really don't be caring. Like I get comfortable like. I just be coming on the camera looking anyway. But not soon again. No, so I'm getting ready to get nice. Nice, yeah. Anyways, today on the title, what I'm about to do is I'm gonna see that already, but like me I go off crazy. I don't know something gonna name it. Going crazy, something like that. But that's something crazy cause what me I gonna do? You girls about to go crazy. Alright, I'm not saying like something act on a regular no. I don't want to ask about today me I go buck it, me I go buck the standard, brother. Me I go buck the standard. Mommy, you always say me can't catch you and blah, blah, blah. But I'm just showing you that like anything must me I go do, me I go do. Because you always say me can't catch you and watch how me I go catch you today. Watch how me I go catch you today. I don't know so my mother they work hard, so I always have made the intro from the early parts. You see it? I'm not nobody is a prank because as we say, I know what people live with. People just always have, my family member they always visit me and when they visit me, I just can't get the chance to prank them. But I'm not even going for attack. You know if you like, comment, subscribe and all those good stuff. Follow me on Instagram at Manda_1. Follow our page at Sammy_family_TV and you don't know the things. Purr! You get what I'm saying? So that let me tell you this. Young King out supposed to have. More likely, him go forward up here. Because I like family, you see. So, he does always up here. Disgusting, always up. Go my Young King out channel and tell him, say him disgusting. So disgusting. But anyways, the next clip I'm going to say, I want me change. I'm like a real mad girl. So, let's get right into the video, baby. Y'all see me? Y'all see me? Huh? Y'all. This is I'm going to go on my AK-40. You see, pretty? Wait, man, I'm showing you how I go. I'm showing you the full fit. Wait, I forget your shoes. Puppy, please don't bother me, puppy. Please, I'm just going. I'm going. Wait, guys, may I get back to me? Y'all see me now? Y'all see me now? Look. Like this. Wait, I'm AK-40. I'm just showing you how I go take place. Like, I look like a real mad girl. But I look classy. I'm showing you what's my feet. Wait, nah. I feel a joke, man, the pal. I feel a joke. I feel a joke. I feel a joke. Y'all thought. What y'all thought? Feel like a joke. Oh! Phone in the job. I feel like a joke thing. I feel like, oh, text me. I feel like a joke thing. Eh? Y'all see? Y'all ain't seen, bro. Can I? Woo! That's bright. But I'm kind of cute, bro. Cute. Y'all see the episode? Baby, it's the madness for me. I'm gonna look a talent show. Want some of you set the camera. Oh, why is it too bright? And the area blind me right through. Right through. Y'all, bear with me. I'm trying to set this camera. Tag it, no. Knock his head off. Go, bitch. Man, I'm dancing now. Go. Mama said I enjoy myself because my mother me just call her 4 something. And so she left work. So I know like she half an hour before she reach. And after she reach, she go left again and come back. So I got enough time. So let's dance. By the time she come, my makeup set up and I spend more time and do this. You girl is a makeup artist. Look there. Y'all see? I feel like I add more. Don't want me to add more. Knock his head off. Bitch, I got no sense. I got no sense for real. Bitch, me hot. I got no sense. And you see this? This stiff wear. Baby, it's the bar for me. It's the air for me. Do you see? I swear. Stiff wear. Woo! Stiff wear. Sorry about that. That never did happen. Trust me, that never did happen. Definitely never did happen. Shit. I forgot to take. Look, no look. See the back part? I forgot lock it. Come on, but if you help me now. I forgot lock it. Oh, I lock it now. That need the film because the madness will make it go away. I'm tired. I'll be running out of breath like I have asthma or something like that. But yeah, this is the fit. This is the fit. Wait. This is the fit. Clothes on top of clothes. Right here. Let me do my dance. Baby, it's the hair for me. It's the hair for me. Do you see it? And it's not stiff like some girl here. Woohoo! This is real Brazilian. Oh, your girl is looking like a supermodel. Wait. Yo, I'm sorry if anybody will get close to me. I'm so mad. You're not gonna love me, but you're not gonna eat me. Yeah. Enough of the madness. Me a sweat. Me I tell this after mother come back. I'm tired. I'm out of breath. Fever dead though. Fever dead. We all feel. I'm gonna have some mud for pace. No. The girl not trying to bump up for the video. This is here I got oh. Too cute for mix up and blam. Tell like I said don't worry about me. You know what? Let's get right into the video. Next clip I say oh mother arrive. And the people them arrive. Can't don't know the things yet. Real mad girl. Yeah.
Later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m. 8:01 p.m. The next day.
I'll do it. When did I get money? I'll get this.
Come on here.
I got this.
What? What? Look here. What, man? What here? How are you go? Samantha is what? Eh? What the- Samantha, what is wrong? Samantha, we have yourself so far. I want you.
Go up there.
the table and somebody in. Samantha, what happened to you? What happened to you, Samantha? Oh, put on this bed. Samantha, what happened?
Look at the right.
Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Tell me you know what is Samantha. Samantha, what happened to you? You want some tea? Eh? What? Sit down, sit down, sit down. What with Samantha? Samantha, what do you? Sit down.
I don't think so.
Me don't know.
You mad? What do I?
Samantha, what wrong with you? Miss ask you, what do you? I don't mash up on the tripod. Sit down, sit down. What do you? Give me that bag. You give me that bag. What's up? Samantha, what wrong with you? Hold it for me.
Second.
Samantha, eat for morning.
That can't man him. That can't man him.
Samantha, who trouble? Sit down, sit down. Sit down and relax yourself. Samantha, what is wrong with you? Who trouble you?
Don't feel
I
that.
wonder what were you feeling? Samantha, what do you?
Where
Which
are
song you want? Samantha, what do you? Samantha, stop! I will now call manpower up here. I don't know what to do. Stop, stop, stop! Stop! What do you? What do you mean you're young man like your man, so? First one. Samantha, when you stop me? Let go, let go. Samantha, what you with you? By the place, let's show me place, you know. Samantha, what you with you? What do you mean, baby? What you want to do? You see I'm not the place.
the police?
Samantha! Yeah. Samantha! Me not talking now. Samantha, stop! Stop! Look here under that. Mash up, mash up. Give me the song. Which one me there? I better make kill. Me not slap you. Me come over and say I'm like a man.
my nose.
I wish you must.
Come on, just miss one again.
Look here.
Okay. I give one name.
I make you one.
The son of Ruby, you can eat one time.
God. She not eating. If you let money to Samantha for cook, he buy dry food. You know, one.
My heart.
Yeah. Samantha.
Get out of that.
Okay, look here. Samantha. Samantha, somebody live downstairs. You realize that? Come in.
I'm gonna fight.
You're going to fight. I want to know. Who man out there? You're going to fight them.
Call him.
See one of the person. Mad money. See that? See one this is boy.
I'm not George. See Samantha.
See one.
Ed.
Listen, I want to cook over there.
Make your money this man and say if you cook.
Ed.
Where you cook?
My Ed.
Where you cook?
My Ed.
Then?
My Ed. My Ed.
Where you find your bag?
My Ed.
I'm going to look for the bag.
Listen,
Let me
give
see
me.
you when you come
Take
in.
off.
You pick up my cousin and come out.
Come on.
And then fold that. Run. Go feed the bread and give her. Run.
Yeah, I was it.
Yeah, I'm cut out the
Why? No, you're gonna fight for real.
You're not going to fight. I'm going to do it. I have puppy in my hand.
Mom, baby.
cut out the part.
Oh, no. She see that we done. Cause she named it for see it. Oh, my baby. My baby in garbage. Oh. Dad, she see the camera. No, my ball for you now. I said you could have fake ball, really. Me didn't know that.
I said, I'm going
My
to
ball for you.
I said, I'm going to fit man.
Go to your best.
I said, I'm going to fit man, really.
You're foolish as you sit down.
My mother.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ha!
It didn't work.
You're foolish as you sit down and program.
I still don't mind that.
Me know. What are you gonna do? Why? Take your medicine right now. Go ahead. Sorry. Oh, it's all fire reach. Oh, we get 10 minutes. We get 10 minutes of madness. We get. Oh, let me take off my wig. Me go to mother. Young King out.
Yeah, man. I said, I'm fight the all again. I'm coming in. I swear. I'm scared.
I said to me and mother would help me. I mean, mommy, mom.
And you're 5 minutes must get to go. I'm 5 minutes.
Mommy.
Can I help you, man? You're 5 minutes.
Mommy,
You want?
you like my makeup?
What?
Do you like my makeup? How you feel about that prank? You're the kind of fan feet, don't you?
Yes, sir. Come and think you're mad.
Me the one eye water drop out your eye.
No, I'm very strong. I'm a very strong mother.
I try to fix him up.
Me fix your back.
Me give you a thumb there.
Me I run your friend. Come here, say I'm on the Samantha. If I run the somebody,
Good
right?
luck.
Fab,
So,
run. I'm going to tell Fab to come help me.
You know what?
Fab, I'm going to tell you to come help me. You
Listen,
know.
I'm not going to keep it up.
Me say the pin is strong, you know. Me say the pin, yeah.
tell somebody run up. Tell somebody run up.
True.
Tell somebody run up.
Yeah.
Tell somebody run up. Huh? Wow. Oh God, look at the place I have to clean up back. Guys. No, I don't want to clean. Somebody come help me clean, please. Please, somebody come help me clean. I know this is a banger. This is a banger, dog. Dog, this is a banger.
That's shit. I want time to think I'm mad free.
This is a banger. Let me do the banger dance. Me dey ball for two na me nose. Let me do the banger dance. Me try it again. Give me a review. Give me a come here. Come here. Faba laugh.
This one I think we put it on.
Faba wicked. Guys, 40 minutes, I don't get enough time. Mommy, what you have to say? Oh, my neck. My neck feel like a creek.
Only the blood of Jesus left for me say, 'cause I was going to say that. But me I fix up myself. Cause me say demons must enough for me pitney. When me came and my ball for real, you know. Wicked girl.
No, I'm not wicked. The tears just drop. Let me tell you, I laugh. Me they laugh when someone turn on, but me start ball. Faba laugh, you know. So I laugh, me did I laugh. Young king. Faba laugh. I laugh, me did I laugh, but me say, mommy, you get serious, and me start ball. Me know some kind of fake ball. But I'm close off the video, cause I'm tired. I'm everywhere else. Faba, you can't make it up. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, we clean up back there.
Brother, me a jump for you, brother.
Yeah, we clean up back.
Eh?
We're supposed to be best friends. Yeah, we clean up back.
Yeah, okay.
Alright. Come on. Yeah, me clean up back. Yeah, me clean up back.
For what reason?
Yeah, help him.
That's dark. Let me come and see the dog now.
This one
Me did I give him medicine.
Where am I listening?
Guys, that's it for today's video. Like, me know wanna enjoy this. So give this a thumbs up. Period. We're outside. And the next prank, no, never prank. But when this drop, we're only going up. Cause this a banger. Watch this. If anyone subscribe same way, we're outside. Take one more look. Me don't know wig they do. But yeah, bye. Mommy say bye.
Bye
Bye.
from the mad daughter.
And tell them say me catch you.
And this one really catch me.
And team Sammy. And he move out prank catch you too. He catch you look a bit. Only thing you move and go in the bathroom.
Move out prank catch you.
Defecate.
This one.
You want me to move out prior, so me move out.
And this one I catch you wicked.
This is when I catch you. And more to come.
We wonder
More
what
to
the
come.
Yeah, this one was a banger.
Banger. We're outside, same way.
She mash up everything.
Remember I said 6 o'clock a curfew, so I have done the video before 6 o'clock.
No, no. I want
Alright.
No.